And my corporate modest gown girlies, hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mina. These styles are created with you in mind for my classy corporate modest girls. It can be worn to any corporate events like conference. How will you enter an event in these beautiful styles without you being the talk of the event? Don't doubt it. To meetings, defense, convo, just name the corporate events. The styles can be made with either with floral material, either chiffon or crepe. If you want more of videos like this, kindly let me know in the comments. Give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to be the first to get notified whenever I drop a new video, kindly put on your notification bell. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.